Hey everyone, it's Larry from wstrades.com doing a technical analysis video on ticker symbol BBIG. And I really didn't look at this ticker much, but ended up showing up on a scanner, and I wanted to point out some key levels that I saw. So this red line right here, this is called the point of control. It's from the volume profile tool. This level is the price that has seen the most volume throughout this whole chart, which is a year-long chart. And right now it's at 307. Price just dipped below that. So we're toying around with that level. That's obviously a point of contention for the entire year. I think if the 307 can hold, we'll probably see a quick rip to around 350. I do not think it's going to hold. I think it's more likely this thing is going to see a gap fill down to around 260. Going into earnings on the 16th. So why I say that, another key level for this thing is the 200 period moving average. This thing just comes up and hits it, dies off, comes up and hits it, goes down to the 70% volume profile tool, and then comes up and hits it and dies off. So to me, it's more likely that this thing fills the gap going into earnings. So I don't know, I'd look for a level of around 360 before I'd even think about getting back into this thing, because it's just, been rejecting this 200 period moving average too many times for me to say, this is time to go long. Now if it closes above that and we're seeing a little spike in volume, nothing like Fridays, but market's only been open for about an hour and a half at this point. If it can close above that 200 period moving average, then I'd be interested to see a big rip higher. I think you'd see a lot of shorts closing their positions, and this thing actually seeing a sustainable move higher from there. But until then, like I said, sorry, I think this thing's going to fill the gap going into earnings.